Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up alarm clock on a Hama Weather device. To do this, first you will need to click on the mode once. Then you'll be able to switch between two different alarm clocks by clicking on the mode again. As you can see, there's two of them, and now we're back to our original clock. Now let's click on it again and then enter first alarm clock. Now we need to hold mode button for a few seconds, and then we'll be able to adjust the time for alarm clock with up and down keys. So the hour is first and we're going with 19. Then we can click on the mode again to change to the minutes, and we're going with 19:59. Then click on the mode again to accept it. Now we can go back to the alarms by clicking on the mode button, and here's the alarm clock that we just set up, and it should ring in about 4 hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.